pretty little bird container. I'm in love with her. Kevin, watch how I made it. I love her. So cute. This was the first time I used this darling mold, and it's my beautiful little winter bird container. I'm using a 1-to-1 ratio of my resin, and I'm using chameleon powder teal and holographic chunky glitter. I mix that really pretty glitter into the teal, and the two make a gorgeous combination. Now ready to pour it into my mold. I gently pour in each side, let it settle for a minute, and make sure that I go up to the top of my mold. I'm satisfied where it's at. Okay, we got the bird. And it's a little tricky, so let's see. Hopefully I don't cut myself. Of course, you can always wear gloves, right? I've chosen not to. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Hold on. Ouch. Yep, I did. I cut myself a little bit. Hang on. Yep, you know why. Okay, if you have a sharp edge, just be smart. I'm so impatient sometimes. It doesn't pay off. It was a little cut. Okay, here we go. Now, I'm gonna wrestle the little tail off of this bird. Okay, let's check it out. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Hang on, let's do the other side. All right, now this is the bottom. Jeez. Yeah, good thing I have my gloves on. Okay, hang on. Okay. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I really like the color so much. Hang on. Peeling it back. Here we go. Oh, this is no way. Look at it. I am so in love with my bird. I love it. I'm so happy about this pretty little winter bird. Thanks so much for watching today, and I'm wishing you happy creations and a wonderful day.